Let's say we want to create a host for our video. First, start here in ChatGPT and use a prompt like this. Copy the prompt, then head over to lexica.art, or my favorite website is Leonardo Image Generator. Select the style you want to use. For today, we will explore anime and 3D characters. Once we have generated and downloaded our images, it's time to make the 3D character talk. Go to Hello website, click on create and select image to video, then upload your picture that you made. Input a prompt like this. Make sure the talking video text is placed within the quotation marks after the colon. Wait a few moments and Hello website will produce a talking video for you. Then you can download that video and use any video editing software to add the audio you want to use in this. Now let's animating the anime character. Open Canva and upload the anime image. From the Elements tab, select a shape to cover the character's mouth. You can also do this step in any photo editor like Photoshop, Pixar as well. Now next go to Adobe Express Animator. Choose the mouth only category. Select any mouth that matches your image. Then upload your audio here. Download the animated video that it will produce and then go back to Canva and upload that video here. Remove the background. You can use also CapCut to remove video background as well. Okay, then align it with the anime image and that's it.
Hi, everyone. Nice to meet you. Hope you like my works. And please do like, subscribe, and share for more new videos. Wish you all the best.
You have your own talking animated character with proper lip sync, completely free. Thank you.